All right, guys, we just wrapped up the Tesla Model 3 Resurrection Series, and we got some orders that are, 5 to 7 hours away and an hour and a half away and stuff. So we're gonna go hand deliver some of those just to show our appreciation to those customers. Now, I wish we could go do all of them, but that's just not realistic. And we have another project that we gotta get started, which is right behind me. And we are taking this Model Y on this road trip to give it a first little test, because this one is the next project that we're going to start here very shortly. And I think this little road trip will be a good test for it. So let's get to it. All right, let's go grab some packages. All right, we are at the first location. I'm gonna drop off this sticker pack, and I threw a ton of extra stickers in here just because we had extra from this campaign, this giveaway, and hopefully he likes a ton of extra stickers. Back to the car. All right, we are at the customer with the full front end wrap, and didn't sound like you wanted to be on camera, so we're gonna try to respect that, and we're just gonna drop it off. See this curve? Yeah, that's excitement. All right, we just got to Portage here in Manitoba. We're at 36%. We're gonna charge up here for a bit. I think we only need to charge for a few minutes so we can make it to Brandon and do a little bit longer of a charge there. So let's get this thing charging. Thank you. Thank you. I could have sworn the animal that I saw dead on the side of the road on the way home from Winnipeg this morning was a small kangaroo. However, that thing was laid out, whatever it was, it looked like it had tiny little front things and long ass legs. It probably was a baby deer, but just how it was laying there, it looked like a dead kangaroo. And I'm like, what? All right, we are here at Cody's place in Saskatchewan. I'm not gonna tell you which town because we have privacy reasons, but we brought him his full wrap, detail kit, ceramic coatings, I believe, and we're gonna hand them off to him here. So grab them here from in the trunk. So I believe he said he's only in the car in 2 weeks, but now he's ready for the wrap, so. All right. Here you go, sir.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Yeah, absolutely. If you have any questions, let us know.
Awesome. I still got to go into those
all the videos.
Schooling to do, right? So,
Have you started any of them?
I started watching some of them for the PBF.
Yeah, just the unboxing and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah.
yeah, if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us. Awesome. But all the, like Eric tells people, about 95+% of what you need to know should be in those videos.
Cool. I appreciate the first person experience here.
Yeah, well, we thought it'd be cool to just, show our appreciation, drop off some a little more local.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a 7-hour drive for us, but with the Tesla. But
that's awesome. Yeah, it looks good. I look forward to seeing what.
Do you have any suggestions? What we should do?
I haven't even thought about that.
This
I'm curious as what you guys are going to do.
Well, we do have some stuff in the pipeline some parts that we already have at the shop. So the project is currently being called the Overlander project. So
are you lifting it?
Yeah, lift kit's at the shop already.
Oh man.
So
I thought about it. I'm like, what's something with the Y that you don't really see?
And it's that, right?
It's
like
SUV category, but
correct. Yeah, so we're going in that direction. We, as far as I know, don't have everything figured out yet. The only thing that is set in stone is the lift kit, which is at the shop currently.
Interesting. Yeah.
So any suggestions? We're open.
Yeah. Nothing really comes to mind, but
I'm very, very excited for it.
Is it fairly for converting into something a little bit bigger, a little bit taller? It's pretty easy to do.
I'm told so. I'm the one that's going to be doing it, so we'll find out.
So it looks like the suspension components on these are all multi-link, so it's fairly awesome.
We'll figure it out when we install it.
And then maybe some little additions on the outside.
Yeah, there's gonna the plan is
with the Overland.
The plan is to do some other accessories and stuff, and then we'll do a cool wrap on it. So
Regina tonight.
Yeah, Regina tonight.
Some deliveries.
One there, and then one in Saskatoon yet, and then head home.
Cool. Yeah. No, I was. I was stuck on either this one or the matte PPF, and I had a couple weeks to think about it. And then your guys' deals, they
came in
10 times for the raffle, and I was like, oh shoot. And then I'm like, okay, well now I got some time to think about it.
Yeah, exactly.
And then that popped back up a few days ago, and I was like, oh yeah, well there we go.
There we go. Yeah.
I'm all in. I got a delivery date, hopefully late next week.
Oh, sweet.
It's Model 3 all-wheel drive.
Perfect.
So
that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Well, I'm excited for you, and let us know how it goes.
Awesome. Well,
thanks for letting us stop by.
Yeah, thanks for coming by.
Absolutely. Good little interaction with Cody there, and he's excited for his wrap. So I think he said he's getting his car possibly late next week. So see how that install goes. Hopefully it goes good for him, and on to the next one. All right, we are here at our hotel for the night, about to plug in to a non-Tesla charger, so we need this little adapter. We left Winkler around 3:40 this afternoon. It is now 10:40 in the evening, and we got one delivery done. We're gonna do the other two tomorrow, so let's plug in and get some rest. There we go. It is the next morning, and we are ready to unplug the charger and head off to Saskatoon for our one delivery in Saskatoon that we're doing, and then back to Regina to drop off another one when that guy has time, and then off home. Let's go. What are you? You're a mile away from them.
Tesla's pissed off.
Yeah, I think he just hates me.
Yeah.
Calm down, Tesla. Oh, an old GM. That is sick. Nice truck. On a race, bet you I'd win. Just gave our guy a text, trying to meet him up here at his work in Saskatoon and see where he wants to meet us. And we can give him his detailing products. Yeah, we drove all the way to Saskatoon to deliver two 16-ounce bottles of detailing products. Pretty great. Hello.
Hello, Mark here.
Hey, it's Tony here. How are you?
Pretty good. How are you doing?
Good. We are at your location here.
Okay, I'll be right out.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
Okay, bye.
All right, let's go grab this package. He is walking out here right now towards us. So we got his detailing products right here. So we'll let him cross the street. Don't think that he needs a secondary packing slip. That is just for me. Good day. How are you?
How you doing?
Not bad. How are you doing? Good.
Not bad.
Thanks for letting us stop by and hand delivering this. We thought it'd be a little more special to hand deliver some of the semi-local.
Yeah,
I mean, it's still a 9-hour drive for us, but but thought we'd show some support and just hand deliver some of them.
Yeah.
So
I know it wasn't your own stuff, so
no, we made a few more.
Yeah.
It was just 3
don't be
or 4 of them.
excited the text thing.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, I appreciate you being willing to do that.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So yeah, thanks for the support. We appreciate it.
bet.
And this is the next project.
Oh, okay.
So
Cool.
I don't know if you're like following along
Yeah.
as a.
I'm fairly new, I guess, just the last few months.
Oh, sweet. Well,
Basically from this project.
oh, awesome.
Yeah, I'll be following the rest of it too.
Awesome. Well, yeah. If you have any suggestions, we haven't started anything yet. This is the first video introducing this car and doing a little road trip with it, test it out and stuff. But we do have some stuff that we have set in stone, and then there's other things that we're just see what happens, I guess.
Cool. I look forward to it.
Yeah.
A couple Teslas. But
Oh, sweet. Do you have one?
no, but I've rented one.
Oh, sweet. Awesome. Well, thanks for taking your time.
All right.
We won't take much more of your time.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Good luck on the rest.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for support.
Okay.
Awesome.
Appreciate it. Thank you. See ya.
Last delivery here in Regina, and then we're headed home. So we're gonna go, we're at his place. Let's go drop this off. Hey, Tony here.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm pretty good.
Good. So here's your sticker pack you ordered.
Right on.
Just thought we'd hand deliver it. Thought we'd come and show our support and appreciation, well, mostly appreciation for your support, and to some of the people in Winnipeg, Regina, Saskatoon, just the more local ones. We thought we'd
Nice.
hand deliver some orders. So
Nice.
Yeah.
Guys making your way west.
you're actually written lost one today,
Oh,
and
last
then
one today?
we're headed home. We got to be home for tomorrow. So
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Nice. Nice.
yeah, decided not to go too much further.
Oh, okay.
Takes a lot of time then.
Nice. Nice.
So
No,
yeah. Anyway,
I watched the show for. I mean, I was just introduced to your channel not too long ago
Oh,
because I
sweet.
was always looking for higher mileage
Teslas?
just to see how
yeah. See
they
how
actually work.
how it actually works.
And I came across that one, and that's pretty good.
Awesome. Well, appreciate the views and support, and the car that we have here is actually our next project.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you want to come check it out. It's a Model Y that we're gonna do some work to, and that'll be our next giveaway. So,
Oh, okay, nice.
yeah, what's that?
Looks like the one I have back here.
Oh, sweet. Awesome. But yeah, that is the next one.
Okay. It's
Not-
pretty good.
Not as high mileage, but
What's the mileage?
I think 140.
140?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, mine's pushing 167.
Oh, sweet.
And today's actually the fourth year
Oh, awesome.
since I've had it.
Well, congratulations on 4 years with your Tesla.
Yeah, so I know it's pretty good.
Awesome. Well, we won't take any more of your time.
Yep.
Appreciate you.
Okay,
Have a great
no problem.
day.
Yes, and you too. Okay,
Thank you. See you.
Just dropped off the last order here in Regina. Now we're off to, well, off home, but we got a bunch of charging stops first here. So we'll see what time we actually get home.
Long nights like dominoes, all is lying on the edge. No sight how I'm gonna go. It's alright. I know what I gotta do. Heart is blind. I've been down at times, but nothing can keep me from you.
All right, guys. That is it for this video. Just got back to Winkler here at our shop. It's about 1:40 in the morning, I think, something like that. That is it for this video. If you guys want to see more on this build and what we're going to do to this car, it's going to be a lot of fun. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, all that fun stuff. And stay tuned, because this is the next car that we're giving away to one of you.